Alright, guys. I guess I have to restart. Unfortunately, I already recorded this video. I did, I think, almost an hour and 30, hour 35. I guess when I messed up, I deleted the ongoing recording file while I was deleting past recording files when I was recording, so I kind of fucked up. So this extremely sucks because I did a whole hour 30 video and went to the drain. So I'm kind of sad. This shit sucks. Yeah, man. I did a LeetCode problem. I worked a little bit on the DS thing and Algos. What was it called? BFS. And then I started the Git, man. I started the Git, which fucking sucks, man. So I apologize, guys, if this is gonna be a very short video. I did a longer video, and for the past 10 minutes I just put my head down wanting to cry, so I was like, fuck, man. But yeah, let me share my screen. I literally was doing the Git thing, the Git course, as you guys can see right here. Ripping the chat, man. I'm literally started this. I did the setup and repositories. So man, this goddamn sucks. But yeah, I did the setup on the video. Then I did the repositories, and now I'm here. Yeah, man. So I'm sorry, guys. I literally don't even want to do this, but I'm doing this because I have to do a video and record it. But I guess this is day what is it? Day 36. Yeah, man. I've been seeing a lot of comments saying, "Oh, you're just doing LeetCode, and that does not. If you're trying to progress to be a software engineer, LeetCode is not the way to be a software engineer." And yes, I know I get these comments on every video or every other video, and no hate to you or whoever's saying these past comments and tuning into this video. To be a software engineer, I must know LeetCode. I understand. I don't know if you guys want to watch projects, but this YouTube video is just for me to continue doing my learning and posting and being consistent on a certain topic, right? So I can stop doing LeetCode and do Git or something, or make a project. Like, I hope everybody understands that when I do a video, this is my second time repeating this, by the way, so this kind of sucks, but what I post on YouTube is not what I only learn, if that makes sense. Like, I just like, you guys know I have a life more than the video, right? I do other things. I connect with people. I try to network as much as possible. I don't just do LeetCode. I try to post on LinkedIn. I try to, I do more TikTok videos. I do a lot of self-learning. I do projects on my own. Like, I do things off of stream. Oh, sorry, not stream. YouTube. I do things off of YouTube that you guys don't see. So when you guys comment things saying, "Oh, LeetCode isn't the only thing you should be doing. You should be doing projects, this and that," I appreciate the input, which is like very critical in the videos that I make, because I love what people think. But just to clarify some stuff, the reason why I post LeetCode and why I post just LeetCode is because on my off time, like, I don't really do LeetCode, if that makes sense. I don't really do LeetCode, and when I want to do my YouTube video, I'm like, shit, what should I do? Oh, let me just do the LeetCode portion of my studying on YouTube. So it's just, that's how I do it. If that's annoying, maybe I could switch something else. And but in the beginning of summer, I learned Git, and I already know Git, not to an extent. And there's a course on boot.dev that's just about Git. So I decided in today's video to start it, and as you can see, I already showed you guys. I did 2 chapters, and I guess I'm on chapter 3. So yeah, I guess if you want to be a good software engineer or progress to that role, I guess you can say, Git is very, very important. So as you can see in the last lecture, holy moly, oh yeah, this is what I read right here that's kind of stuck with me, that I already recorded this, but whatever. So preview of what I learned, just setting up Git, just setting up Git with the CLI, so whenever I run this in my terminal right here, it works out and stuff. So yeah, just doing it. Primeagen teaches this course, by the way. So yeah, yeah, this guy flipped me off. I guess it's the guy who made Git in 5 days, or supposedly this
Git in 5 days, and within a couple.
Yeah, it's just a quick flip off, I guess. I don't know. I don't understand why he did that. Yeah, whatever. Quick config. We set that up. We did everything here, man. We did everything good. And then we're in here. So maybe this is a sign that my video didn't work, because it wanted me to continue doing this learning. I'll take it as that. I wanted to do something else, but I have to do my video, so this is what we're gonna do. So yeah, I rambled for 7 minutes. Yeah, if you guys want to drop whatever you guys are feeling, your opinions on what I'm doing, I love the criticism. Some people hate, some people don't. Some people say stuff that motivate me. It's okay. Just say what you want. I don't care. Just comment it out. I'll check your comments. Yeah, this is the way I'm learning. If this is not the way you think I should be learning, say something in the comments. I took into account that people think I just leak code, so I'll switch it up and do Git as well. Like and then at some point I'll be doing projects soon. So yeah, that's it for that. So so we're learning internals. So different hashes. My latest git commit hash was this. You may have noticed that even though you and I both have the same content in our repositories, we have different commit hashes, right? While commit hashes are derived from their content changes, there's also some other stuff that affects the end hash. For example, the commit message, the author's name and email, the date and time, parent. That's why this is different. Mine was a 7 something. See the terminal. 9. Yeah, this was mine. I guess the thing that affects this git commit hash is this what it means. Yeah, different commit hashes numbers. I guess is because of the commit message is the same. So I don't know where here this would be the same. I'm not even sure. I guess it won't be the same. I don't see anything similar. And then the author's name and email. My name and email is different from his, and date and time and parent of commit hashes, right? All this to say that hashes are almost always unique, and because they're generated automatically for you, you don't need to worry much about what goes into them right now. No, hash equals SHA. Git uses a cryptographic hash function called SHA to generate commit hashes. We won't go into detail of how SHA works in this course, but it's important to know you might also hear commit hashes referred to as SHAs. Okay. If you're not careful, you have 2 commits with the same hash. If you're not careful, you'll have 2 commits with the same hash. False, because every commit has different, yeah. The time is different, and the parent is what can be changed. The author's name is always going to be the same, but the commit message could be the same. What does not affect the hash of a commit? Yeah. Is this different? Yeah, it is. The plumbing. So far, we've been using Git in a porcelain manner. By the way, porcelain. We learned this in the first lesson where, yeah, something about porcelain and then and some other things. Something about easier commits and harder functionalities of Git, and then fuck me. Oh, porcelain and plumbing. So yeah, I gotta remember these terminologies, but porcelain's high level, which is what everybody uses, and low levels plumbing commands, which are these. Remember, porcelain. I hope I'm saying this right. Porcelain or porcelain? How do I say this? I don't want to sound stupid. Porcelain. Pronunciation.
Porcelain.
Porcelain. Yeah, let me just read this. It's pronounced this. The fuck? Alright, for this video, I'm just gonna finish internals and then that's it. How long is config? Honestly, this course is not even that long, man. Branching. See, branching is gonna be a little bit confusing. Merge. Rebase. Reset. Remote. Damn, I could finish this shit in a day if I wanted to. It's not that bad. Different hashes. My least git commit hash was this. Oh shit, we already did this. We were on plumbing. Yeah. So far we've been using Git in a porcelain manner, but to state our insatiable. It's embarrassing. Insatiable. Yeah. Rip. Let's take a look at some of the plumbing. Remember, porcelain is a high level, and that's what every programmer usually uses, and plumbing is low level. So now we're looking at the lower level. I did my video that I fucking messed up. I did the high level, so fuck. Sucks. All the data in Gearbox were stored directly in the hidden.git directory, right? By the way, I did all that, and I did. So what I did was we made a folder called WebFelix, I guess they want us to do, and then in WebFelix we made a markdown file where we content. Well, I can't really see into that. I gotta do like nvim contents, right? And then you can just see this, that. So yeah, and then we pushed it, we committed and all that sorts of good stuff. That includes commit. Okay, wait, the hidden.git directory that includes. Ooh, what was that command? Oh no. There it is, .git. Yes, that's the ls.-a is what shows you the hidden.git directory. Nice. That includes the commit, branches, tags, and other objects we'll learn about later. Git is made up of objects that are stored in dot. A commit is just a type of object. Assignment. Git login to find your commit hash again. So git log -n10. So we committed there, right? Oh, what is this? Use ls dialog to list the contents of the GitHub. Oh my god, sorry. Okay. Look for directly associated message the first two characters of the command hash. Wait, what? What? Okay, this was the commit hash? Right? This is the first two characters. What? Ura soka! Hey, I'm not getting this commit hash shit. Use ls.ao. Oh shit. So would I have to cd into dot target? Then do I do this? Understanding this. Which of these? Holy shit! Sorry. Which of these most likely matches the format of the path? Am I blind, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Bro, I'm not understanding this at all. Like, I know I'm not stupid because this is like so weird. So running is this is your latest command? Yes. Go to .git directory you haven't yet, but you're close. Git storage commits like objects in the directory. Commit hash tomb. It is split into two parts. The first two characters 9f. The rest that. Git stores it as. Oh, so go into objects. Okay. So if I go ls, holy shit, sorry, ls, I go cd into the objects, then if I do ls, 9f, yeah, cd into 9f, cd 9f, now we're 9f, then we do the ls.al, boom, this is the second half. Should we file name this, correct? Or are we, what the fuck? So it should be no. Yeah, this one. That makes sense. Good old GBT for the clutch help. Okay, let's continue going. I don't want to do this, but let's continue. And these are all fucking CLI runs. Fuck. The object file looks let's take a look at what's inside the suspicious commit object file. So I'm gonna try to cat the contents of the commit object, which will interrupt the contents of today. What the fuck? Get away. In this shit? Are you serious? Cat file from report. What? Bro. What did I do? What the fuck is going on? Oh, we're in the object file. So, oh my lord. Bro, oh my god, how do we get out of this? Quit? Dude, I forgot how to do that. Oh shit, it's ls. I'm gonna cd into projects. And then, what was it called? CD web village. Then we're gonna ls cd to .get. We ls into that. We're gonna cd into the objects. Now, I might have to ask GPT because I don't want to fuck shit up, bro. Am I in the right folder? I don't know. Find your commit file. Yeah. Right. So we gotta do CD9F. Right, now what? Okay. I already did this. I'm curious why. I did this already. Then we want to sudo ape. Okay, now we want to do XX T09 this slash the TMP slash commit underscore okay. You should see hex output like this. What? I don't see that shit. This is gonna be wrong, 100%. I know 100% this is gonna be wrong. I don't even know what the fuck that means. What? Okay, explain to me what is happening. While you're learning Git internals, aka plumbing, normally we use Git in a proclaim of, yeah, right. But under the hood, Git stores all your data as compressed files and gives and every commit tree, blob, or tag is just a file and a hash. Step by step breakdown what you're doing. Find your commit hash, right? We did that, which should be this. Go inside the objects folder, then split the commits, right? 0, 9, no, it should be 1, 9F. So 9F to this. This was the lesson previously. Then we're trying to view the file. You'll see gibberish because Git compresses. Okay. View the file in raw hex. So we gotta do this. This prints the binary context with hex dump look like this. I didn't see that though. Save it and then submit your work, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna just stop here. It's almost 30 minutes. I got other shit to do and it's almost really late. Which sucks, I gotta record this fucking video again. Alright guys, yeah, this was day 37, I believe. I'm not even entirely sure anymore. Second goddamn recording. I swear to God, if it. Let me end this video, see if this recording works, because I'm be so mad. But alright, guys. Later.